Hey, Dave Kosmicki here. So let's talk about what news items could and would affect interest rates for mortgages this week. Three topics. We always talk about the same three topics. The category headings: geopolitical, domestic, and what's happening across overseas. So geopolitically, we have three different items that we're going to be watching. One is the Prime Minister, Theresa May, is now gone from Britain. They'll be electing a new prime minister. We'll see how that unfolds, and if that means that they're going to be leaving Brexit in total or only in part the European Union. And so that'll be, we'll see what transpires there. Probably nothing's going to happen this week. Mexico, tariffs have been put on hold, additional tariffs that the White House had threatened to put in place if Mexico doesn't stop at their side of the border the influx of people from Central America. So far, that's working. Whether that continues or not, I don't know. And certainly those tariffs will affect our economy because that means higher prices for us. But the really big news that I think we're going to watch is what's happening with China. There's another $300 billion in tariffs that are set to go in play next week. And the speculation on the Chinese front is that Trump will meet with President Xi at the G20 summit. And we'll see what transpires there, because this thing just keeps escalating as these tariffs go into play. It's pushing inflation as prices will have to rise to meet those increased producer costs or importer costs. So that's going to affect where we're at, and inflationary news is not good for mortgage rates. Even though we're in a decreasing trend, that certainly could flip. Across the pond, overseas, there's going to be a ton of economic news coming out this week from China, Japan, Germany, Great Britain, and the Eurozone's president is going to be speaking as well, and we'll see what transpires there. Domestically, the big report is coming out on Wednesday. It's the year-over-year consumer price index, which doesn't include food or energy. It's hovering around 2.1%. We're hoping it to stay in the exact same place. We'll see how that goes. Tariffs and more tariffs certainly will have an impact on that and could be inflationary and swing the interest rate decline around. See what happens. Watch these things. When I can help, do give me a call.